Do you want to create an event on WhatsApp? You can make an event in the WhatsApp group chat with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to create an event on WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To create an event in a WhatsApp group chat. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you are in WhatsApp, find and open the group chat where you want to create the event. At the bottom of the group chat conversation screen, you will see a message input box. On the right side of the message input field, tap on the paperclip icon. Now, you will see various options. Among them, find and tap on event. A new screen will appear. Here, you need to add the necessary information for your event. Enter your event title under event name at the top. Under the event title, write details about the event. You can include everything in the description. Once you enter a description, tap on the calendar date. From the pop-up calendar, select the day on which the event will be conducted and tap on the OK button. You will see the time on the right side of the date. Tap on it to select the time. A new pop-up screen will appear. From here, select the hours and minutes, then tap on the OK button. In the location section, enter the location of the event or meeting. You can also enable a WhatsApp call link if you want to conduct the meeting online. Once enabled, choose the call type, either video call or voice call. Once created, tap on the send button, and the event will be shared in the group chat. Now, all the group members can view the event details and respond to the event.